Hi everyone, I'm Robin Kay. I'm a Chalk Couture independent designer, and thank you for watching my channel, my video. Today I'm going to be doing a project on our Chalk Couture Bistro spinner board, and I'm going to be doing on both sides. I'm going to be doing UR transfer, and I'm going to be doing an ombre of bright white, peony, and raspberry sorbet, and on the other side I'm going to be doing our Love You transfer, and I'm going to be doing a combination of Shimmer Crimson and Shimmer Frost, and this board comes out so you can work with it flatly. On our transfers, you want to mark the back side because they are reusable, so you want to clean them immediately. Clean them immediately and put them back, lay them to dry, wash them with water, warm water or tepid water, and put them face up to dry. So we're going to get started here. Okay, I've dried this side and it's done, and I really like the way it looks. Now I'm going to be doing the other side with the I Love You, and the back of it has been marked. Now I'm going to put this over here and we'll center this. There's no bubbles in there. They leak underneath. And I've already put a scoop of crimson, Shimmer Crimson, and a scoop of bright or frost. That's done. I really like the way that turned out. Nice and bright and shiny, that one. Our, just want to let you know that are raspberry sorbet and our peony aren't in stock right now, or at least when I'm filming this. They should be back soon, and everything else should be in stock. Our bright white, they reformulated our paste because they were having issues with it, and so they reformulated. It is a new formula. Mine isn't, but it's really creamy now, so it will take a little longer to dry. The way mine is now, it dries really quickly, so you have to work faster. This has got a little bit of a ombre to it, and if I was gonna put this in to sell, which I could do, I'd put a little bow on it, put some ribbon on it and stuff, but this is just for me, for my tier tray, and I really like the way it came out. And I just want to say that all the details and all my links are below. Please like, subscribe, and to my channel, and feel free to comment. And I wanted to say again, thank you so much for watching my video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye. Have a great day.